This is Longtail cast on. So for this cast on, you'll want a longer tail. A good way to measure how much yarn you will need for your tail is to wrap it around your needle one time per stitch that you need to cast on, and that'll give you kind of an approximate number or length of yarn that you will need for your tail. So I'm just going to do a relatively short one since I'm only going to be demonstrating this, but typically if you're casting on a lot of stitches, you'll need a much longer tail to start with here. So you'll make a slip knot like so, and then you'll want the tail in the front and the working yarn coming off of the ball in the back. So here's my tail, and then here's my working yarn. So you will want to grab the tail in your, so you'll want the tail around your thumb like this, and the working yarn around your index finger in the back. So you're making kind of a triangle. So I grab it like this and then just stick my finger and my thumb through. And then you should be making a triangle there. And then what you're going to do first is take your needle in the front of the yarn, scoop it underneath like that. So it's in between your fingers now, and it's got a loop up on the needle, and then take it above the top of the back yarn, scoop, and then you'll have a hole right there that you'll draw the needle through, and then pull. And that casts on your second stitch. So again, we're gonna go under, over, and then through. Under the front working yarn, over the back working yarn, through the middle, pull. I'll show you how I grab the yarn one more time too. So you just, like that, split it with your thumb and your index finger, and then you've got a triangle there. And then under, over, through. That's the Longtail cast on.